Hey everyone, Josh with Alliance. For today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we'll be talking about battery connections on any one of our trucks. Today specifically, we're working on a Freightliner 114 SD, but this video will apply to any pump. So one thing you want to be very mindful about when disconnecting your batteries to do any maintenance work, change the batteries, anything like that, is to connect them exactly the way you found them connected. As if you do connect them improperly, you can very quickly cause a short circuit, burn out your control panel, melt wires, things like that. So on all of our newer pumps, we do label them with a pump plus, a pump negative, and a aux negative label to make it easier to know what goes where. But as a general rule of thumb, you can bet that any red wire will be power and any black wire will be a ground. But just to make sure, it's a good idea to just label them before you take them off. Or just take a picture before you do it, just to make sure you're connecting them in the exact way they were before you disconnect. So if you do connect your batteries improperly, you can very easily cause a short circuit within your pump. You can burn wires in your control panel or within the truck. So it is a very critical component that needs to be done properly.